Well, we're selling a good reconditioned Ridgid 300 threader. It comes with one die head and two sets of dies, 1/2 to 3/4 inch and 1 inch to 2 inch national pipe thread. Runs well, both forward and reverse. The chuck head, front chuck spins nicely, freely. I don't have dies in here, but it's coming with two sets of dies that are here on the bench. The die head's very good condition. The pipe cutter also. The both of the wheels here spin free. The pipe cutter, free from chips, rotates nicely. Here are the two sets of dies. They're both used, but they're free from chips. They're in very good condition. 1/2 to 3/4, 1 to 2. It's a very clean unit. Sorry. The rear chuck spins freely, tightens up nicely. New power cord with a new plug. There's new parts inside. The body is the original. It was never repainted. It's got a new lever arm assembly. There's no known problem with this machine, folks. Thanks for your time.